Well, where do you keep your apes? I take it you've all got apes. I've got a place to store my apes. Yeah, and this is an ape that I've got that I sort of forgot I'd got. And I thought, I really ought to use that, didn't I? Wonderful thing, you twang a string and it tells you if it's too high or too low or just right. Yeah, so if I found that ape, I really ought to use it, didn't I? Well, I used that ape. Yeah, I better prove that, hadn't I? Where am I going to pop you? Oh dear. Let's pop you on the ground. Oh, that was pretty rough, wasn't it? Hardly a surprise. Yeah, I probably should wipe the dust off the guitar. Is that recommended that you wipe the dust off these things and clean them and tune them and things like? Oh, I don't know. Now I know some of you are going to suspect that I faked that, but I'm getting in before that chap that's he's got a shed near a railway line, and he's going to be doing a studio session with his guitar, and I'm going to beat him to it. Let me just murder this. Incidentally, I'm talking about Shed by the Tracks. He actually can play a guitar, so don't watch this next bit. Wait until Randall plays his guitar properly. Oh.
enough of that.